Okay, go. Okay, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Easy read short story. Okay, easy. You go read kuya. Easy. Go start now.
Sure. Star.
Short
Short
story. Okay,
Story.
go.
Kate is late.
Okay, that's that.
Kate wakes up her a maze. Oh no!
Oh no.
She
She
says,
I hate
I hate
being.
being late.
Okay.
She quickly makes her bed.
Then, okay.
Takes a bath. She goes out of the gate into the lane.
Go.
I thought there was this one.
Okay, go. This one.
The bus driver calls her name. Who great of you to wait, says Kate.
Okay, the question. Write yes or no before each sentence. Okay. Okay, number 1. Kate hates being late.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, number 2. Mother fixed Kate's bed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, mother, it says here. No, I don't think. No.
I think
No, because mother not fix her bed. Okay, next, number 3. Read.
Kate goes out the fence.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Look at this, Izzy. She goes out of the gate, not in the fence. So Kate goes out of the fence.
Yes.
Yes, no. No. Because she's not out in the fence. She just out of the gate. Number 4.
Yes.
Okay, read na.
Kate's
Hair.
is a mess.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, number 5.
I say yes.
Number 5, gani, because we're done this one. Number 4, number 5, next. Go, read.
The bus drivers
There's the
wait
the bus driver.
Waits
The bus driver
for Kate.
waits for Kate. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, number 6.
For
The
father calls Kate.
What it say?
Yes.
No, there's no in sentence story here. No. Father calls Kate.
I'm different calls over here.
No, the bus driver calls her name. Calls her name. Not this father. Oh. What is it to the video? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, video.
Oh, that's a story end for Izzy. Okay, good night, video. Good night.
Good night, video.
Sige, good night. Off na.
Good night.
Good night.